You can now clone any website using AI in 2026. No coding, no design, just copy and launch. Let's check it out right now.
Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can clone any website using AI. Yes, you've heard it right. I'm going to look at some websites and I'm going to clone them using ClickSite's AI. Remember, any website that I'm going to show you, this is just literally for education purposes, how you can rapidly clone any website. So first of all, within ClickSite's AI, we've got a number of features. We've got the AI Studio, AI templates, where you've got loads of templates to choose from. However, we're going to be focused on the AI canvas. Now this, within the feature, we've got another feature where you can actually use images, but we're going to be focused on what we call the reimagine from URL. So you can take any website and we simply go and enter that, and then we're going to go ahead and let ClickSite's AI model that. So first of all, we need a target website we can choose from. So just imagine no copyright is needed, no designers, no expensive developers. You don't need to know HTML. We just look at any website. So here we have this law-related website here, very beautiful. You can clearly see anyone that lands on it, a lot of money has been spent on it. Very clean, beautiful, sleek design, as you would expect. I'm just going to take this URL here and we're going to copy that, come over to ClickSite here, and we're going to paste that in there, and it's going to go, and we need to select fetch content. So now it's going to communicate with that website via the URL, take that content, and you know the AI essentially is going to work magic. So it's going to take all of that, it's going to act like an expert copywriter. Alongside that, it's going to then generate the images. Remember, it's going to be royalty-free images, so you don't need to hire a developer, a coder, worry about the designs, pay expensive licenses, or even just the time of it, spending weeks if not months on getting a design and then doing those revisions. You don't need to do any of that. You don't need to spend a stupid amount of money, thousands and thousands of dollars getting a website done. So with this now, you can see it is going to go ahead and start recreating. It's going to start breaking it down and build the website for us using our target URL here. As you can see, this is the website in question. So we'll go ahead and let it do all of the fancy stuff. As you can see, start generating HTML. Okay, and let it build our website for us. So there we go, just like that. Look at this awesome, beautiful, gorgeous website. And here to the left, you probably noticed, you can see, and this is how it's all working, even generating the images. So all copyright free, no worrying about licenses. And let's have a look at what the website looks like. So all of this can be edited. It actually has a nice chatbot here where you can actually ask the AI for edits when it comes to anything on this page. So let's actually, before we start looking at edits, let's have a look at what the page or the website looks like. So this is it, nice streamless design, all nice and fluid. And check this out, what a beautiful, even the level of animations in there all done for you. So just imagine, no time at all, within a couple of minutes it can generate all of this for us at the click of a button, just by using a simple URL. So everything there, the copywriting, if you want to make a multi-page website, that can all be done. So it's phenomenal, the progress AI has made, especially when it comes to website design and creation without knowing coding. So personal websites, or even if you're working for clients or or you're doing contracting, just imagine you can do this in record speed. So let's have a look now. So any element on here, what I love about this is with the design here, we've got two tabs where you can actually ask the AI for edits. If you have anything that you want to select, we can obviously select an element. We just select this here, right here, this little tab, and anything that we want to change, we're just pinpointing it. We're making sure that we're focused on that, so then we can actually ask the AI to make those edits, those quick edits. So anything that we want to change, headline, imagery, background, icons, essentially anything that you want. Now, if you want to do it another way, you can actually go to the design tab yourself, and you can select the element yourself, and just like that, you can change the font, the weight, the font size. If you want clickable buttons, obviously you can have those URLs in place, any kind of coloring, etc, etc. So just let's have a look at this. Okay, so here we have this one here, and say I just wanted to maybe change alignment, we can do all of that. Essentially, as you would expect, right? You can tailor make and edit the website accordingly to either your own personal needs or maybe your client needs, etc, etc. And what I like, another great powerful feature of this is that if I go to the original site here, maybe there was an element that I really liked. Okay, so here we've got a nice little video here with some text. So all I would do, I'll take an image of this. Okay, so we take an image of this, we come to ClickSite's AI here, we go to upload a reference image, and there we have our image there. Now, what is absolutely fantastic about this, so we've taken that sample reference image here, and I'm going to go ahead and then select upload. Now, what the platform is going to do very intuitively is take that reference image, and it's going to recreate it, model it, and it's then going to insert it into the website. So even with the placement, we can obviously change that around, we can edit it, we can actually improve upon it or remove any elements that we want. So really fully editable website. And even if you want to do a multi-page website. Now, another key things that I really want to stress, that it's going to be mobile responsive. You can actually see how it's going to appear on that device as well, being a mobile. Another key thing is that, yes, imagine you are doing this and you have an audience maybe in a foreign country that English is not their natural language. Perfect, fine. Maybe you've got clients that are in different countries. Now, there is a translation engine. So here we have the tab at the top. Okay, you can select the translation settings and you'll see multilingual translation widget will appear. So with this, why this is even more powerful is because now you can have your website at a click of a button, essentially by the widget, translated into any language that you select here. Okay, now to take it a little bit further and take one step further, that you can enable the auto switch browser detection, right? So if, say, somebody in France pops onto the website and it's in English, they don't understand it, straight away, immediately, as soon as they land on the website, the IP, the browser will be detected and it will get translated in their native language. So as we just discussed that, let me just save this because the update has now been doing. Okay, so as we're doing this, let me just close this now. Let's quickly scroll down and see the job that was completed. Okay, as we remember this section that we've added, let's have a check. Okay, as we scroll down, check this out. Look at this beautiful section that has been beautifully added seamlessly into the design. And remember, with the video, we can actually update that. We can embed the video. If the placement, we want to change anything like the placement up and down, we can obviously do that as well. With this right here, see more details, we can actually then have it as a clickable link. We can actually have it open in a new tab or within. So, everything you would expect, we can do this using AI, or even we have the ability of doing it ourselves in terms of the design functionality. Now, if you're a bit more extreme and you do want to do coding, you don't have to. For those more experienced, then obviously you'll have access to all of this as well. But with this platform, everything is all assisted with AI, which makes it a powerful platform. And essentially, this will allow you to create any website, or clone any website, should I say, correctly, using AI. Now, a couple of examples. You're probably thinking, okay, I found this site here. Now, here's another example. Remember, these are just for educational purposes. Okay, that I want to show you. So I found. Just imagine if I was a website. If I was actually doing this for clients, I could simply find a site here. Look, I found one here. Looks really simple, really ugly, but I could just take that link and I can modernize it. And let's have a look. Check this out. Again, this is one that's been created using ClickSite AI. So it's taken that link of that particular website there, again, educational purposes, and it's recreated something so beautiful. Look at this. Look how modern and elegant this looks compared to the old traditional outdated website that we've just seen here. Okay, look at this. It's all outdated, yeah. Some may think it's nice, but now what we have is more modern, contemporary design site that we could essentially head over to the client and say, look, I would love to maybe offer you this. And another one, again, just imagine spending hundreds and hundreds of dollars on websites. Okay, so again, educational purposes, we've got all these sites that people are paying for. You could take any link, whether it's storage solutions or e-commerce style sites, or even this basic simple website here. Let me show you some examples. Okay, so here we have refined digital aesthetics, simple website. Okay, that was created, and here's another version designed for slow living. You can see just how beautiful and elegant that these look, especially just using AI, just done simply by modeling things that are up for sale essentially. So some templates, websites people are charging $100 for. We can now kind of remove the middleman. We can actually remove a copyright. We can remove the expensive costs that are associated when it comes to utilizing images. And alongside that, if you did want to add an image, let's say if I scroll down here, this is the power of it. Okay, so you can go to choose media, and guess what, we have built in stock media and even AI generated images that you can actually create using the image generator in different shapes and sizes, square, horizontal, and the listing goes on. And there's also an integration with something called Artistly, which is another graphic design tool, and so much more. So you can see all these high levels of integrations that you can do that just make it so easier like never before to create or clone any website that you desire. So if you want, go check it out, and just remember, this is going to be the only AI website builder that you will need. Okay, so go ahead and try it out and have fun.